shoot po, Tito Boy.
Ah, talaga?
Yes po, tas live po, kaya ko yan, kaya ko yan, kaya ko yan. I'm trained by Starstruck.
Yes. First princess ng Starstruck Season 3. Ano ang hindi mo malilimutan?
Oh my God. Most probably yung nag-breakdown po ako on national television and I actually cursed on national television.
Okay.
It's not my brightest moment, pero it happened for a reason. Like what I said, I was, because of that incident, after po nun, parang na-realize ko na I am not okay pala mentally.
Oo.
So yun.
At saka kailangan pag hindi tayo okay mentally, you really have to seek help.
Yes po, I am actually, actually since 2017 po, I am seeking help with, I have a psychiatrist with me na, who's helping me po. With
Tama yun.
Yes.
Kasi there was a time na parang nahihiya ang tao. Ay, alam niyo ho yung minamarkahan
Opo.
dahil ikay may psychologist. Ako, after the death of my mother in 2019, ako din, regular na kumakausap dahil may mga bagay na hindi natin nakikita.
Yes po. Actually po, totoo po yan. Actually dati, akala ko impulsive lang ako and lahat. Yung pala, I was diagnosed po kasi with bipolar disorder and severe panic attack with PTSD pa po. So, medyo marami akong pinagdadaanan. And it's not, I'm not gonna excuse my actions before. I really regret yung mga ginawa ko dati. Pero, again, para sa akin, I learned from those mistakes.
What is the most important lesson pag binabalikan mo yun? Yung pasaway days, ika nga.
Most important lesson. Kasi ang motto ko po ngayon, Tito Boy, if you're having a bad day, it's just a bad day, not a bad life.
Ganda.
So, yun yung motto ko ngayon na tuwing may dadating sa akin na struggle, I really look at that point of view na parang, kaya ko yun. Kakayanin at kakayanin.
Gusto ko maalala parati yan. If you're having a bad day today,
Yes,
it's just a bad day.
Not a bad life.
Hindi po bad life.
Yes, kasi lagi